Hey beautiful people, welcome back. Boxycharm. So, Boxycharm, hater to love it. I don't know. I feel like I need to get rid of a lot of stuff, especially makeup subscriptions, skincare. I do love, and I use a lot. But this is Boxycharm. This is the base box, 28 and some change a month. 5 full-size products. You only get to customize one and the rest is just a mystery. So let's see if this is worth it. Let's crack it open. I am feeling like overload. I know a lot of you can relate. But anyway, let's see, because I'm gonna have to cancel soon. Bye-bye, Boxycharm. All right, so here we are. I always forget what I pick. Let me know if that's you too, because I totally forget every single month. But anyway, the theme is O, double, triple O, status 0. I don't know. Like, does that make any sense? I like the palm trees, the blue and the pink. Beautiful, but okay. So 5 full-size products. I haven't looked, still don't know what I picked. First thing I see is Eloise brushes. These are actually very pretty. There are 4. They're vegan friendly. They have like that iridescent, opalescent type vibe, and they look really pretty. I don't want to open them because I'm not sure what I'm doing with them, but let's see how much they are. $22. I mean, it says luxury. I don't know that I would consider this luxury, but they are pretty. Okay, next is the Beauty Crop. I just can't understand why they can't put stuff in the original package. Like, it's sealed, but I want the box, I want the carton, I want whatever it came in. This is a liquid eyeshadow duo, $18. I'm not into liquid eyeshadows at all. One kind of looks matte and this one kind of looks shimmery. Let's see if it has a, so this is cinnamon, I think. Yep. And the other one is fudge. All right, won't use that, but $18. Okay, next is Alley-oop, Stack the Odds, multi-use, face stacker, 3 shades. To play with. Their cream, highlighter, blush, and contour. And it's sun-kissed. Looks very orange, people. Very orange. So I'm not sure if I even will be able to use that. I'm not orange. So it looks like that. And yep, it's like 3. So, I mean, the packaging is super cute. Okay, and then you get a little mirror, so it looks like that. The contour probably would work, and yeah, they probably would work. This highlighter looks very pretty. I like the compactness, that you could probably travel with that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Have you used any of these? I do like cream products, though. This is $38. Oh, ay. I think I picked this. Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. I have heard great things about Saturday Skin. This is an all-inclusive. I made that all part up. And inclusive. Sorry. And exclusive. Jeez. Exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. So if you've tried this Saturday Skin, let me know in the comments. I'm loving the yellow. Love yellow. Love yellow. And so it's an eye cream, so it doesn't need to be like super heavy duty. No scent, which is always good. My favorite eye cream is the Banana Bright Eye Cream by Ole Henriksen. I do love that. So let's see. You are $32. I like it. So far, that's the only thing. And then it's Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. This is $76 for the love of goat milk. Clinically safe, tested for sensitive skin. I've heard good things. I think I had this in a FabFitFun, and I never used it. So, no scent, which is great for sensitive skin. I don't see this being horrible, but no, I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it. For $28, all I got that I really think I'm going to use is this, and this was $32. So I guess that made up for it. But anyway, we had the goat milk, the eye serum, the 3 blush highlighter and contour brushes, and liquid eyeshadow. What do you think? I'm thinking you didn't change my mind, Boxycharm. You didn't. I'm not impressed. But that's just me. I think it's a great box. Sometimes the variations are awesome, and sometimes it's not. This was not the best for me, but for the value, of course, it exceeded the value. Let me know in the comments, do you like the box? Which item would you have picked if you could? And should I keep it? Let me know, guys. And as always, stay safe.